salad, na ako'y sutanghon, na ako'y tomat, na ako'y isla, na ako'y crab sticks. I have my cucumber, I have my pear, na ako'y manok, and I have the sauce here, and I have this one, Vietnamese rice paper. So, tara, let's make our salad. Start, rice paper, charang. Okay, basa ko na yan, rice paper. And of course, lettuce. With this lettuce, butangan na tuog. Sotanghon. Okay. Kainit pa sa sotanghon eh. Rice noodles. Okay. Na siya. Dayon, butangan dayon na tuog keep. Manok. Na manok diri. Manok. Yan, manok. Dayon, I have my crab sticks. Crab sticks. Kalamit. Nagkuyong-kuyong na ko. Cucumber. Magpa-healthy living taan eh. Char, healthy living daw. And this fruit. Wala ka, kadaghan kaayo. Kaabunda kaayo sa akong salada. And now, it's time to fold. So, tanawan ninyo akong salad. Ang salad, how beautiful it is. So colorful. Damin tabutang cheese ni, pero puno naman kaayo. So, I would stick to this. So, let's roll it, baby. Roll it, fold it. Fold it, roll it. So, let's fold it, baby. Uy, di man siya malupok. Nag-iisi siya, pero it's okay. Tara, oh. Now, dala siya, oh. Pang salad. So, kadako. So, let's try it. With my sauce. Cheers. Hello? Tang-tang. Cheers. It's good. Tang-tang. Boom. Nice lunch. It's really good. Mm.